Hi student, today we are discussing the most important topic, that is the general characters of pteridophyta. In a last lecture, we are studying the characters of the bryophyta, general characters of a bryophyta. So student, today we are studying the pteridophyta. Here Pteridome is the feathers. Pteridome is the feathers and phyton is the plant. Phyton is the plant. With the innate pteridophyta, pteridon is the feathers and phyton is the plant. Means these plants are feather-like structure. Plants groups are a feather-like structure. Hence, they are called as the pteridophyta. So, student, we are studying the general character or a general account of the pteridophyta. So, pteridophyta is the a most successful, a vascular land plant or a terrestrial plant. Pteridophyte is the one of the a vascular and the first successful a terrestrial plants. Okay, then these are pteridophyta are found in a moist shady places. Means the some pteridophyta are hydrophytic, then some are the terrestrial. Okay, these are the habitats. Means the bachcho, it is a vascular. Why it is called as the vascular? Because there is a presence of a water and food conducting tissue, that is the presence of a xylem and phloem, and which conducts the a water and food material. Hence they are called as the vascular. Then why it is called as the terrestrial? Because those plants are found on the land. Okay, on the land habitat are called as the terrestrial plants. And in a pteridophyta, the main plant body is a sporophyte. The main plant body is a sporophyte. Tell me the meaning of pteridophyta, student. Sporophyta is the sporum is the spore. Sporum is the spore and phytum is the plant. Those plant body which produces the spores are called as the sporophyte. Okay, means the जो जिस प्लांट बॉडी के अंदर ये स्पोर्स बनते, स्पोर्स प्रोड्यूस करते, उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? स्पोरोफाइट. ओके, एंड इन ए pteridophyta, sporophytic plant body is a well organized, well developed, diploid, means the double set of chromosome, and they are well organized, well defined, autotrophic. Why it is called as the autotrophic? Because they make their own food material. Hence they are called as the autotrophic. Then they are independent and differentiated into root, then stem and the leaves. Means the a sporophytic plant body is a dominant, prominent, well organized, well developed, and autotrophic, independent, and differentiated into the a root, true stem, and the true leaves. Okay, so this is the a main evolutionary trend in a pteridophyta. So student, so this is the a fern nephrolepis. Okay, fern nephrolepis, and this is the sporophytic plant body. In a sporophytic plant body, the plant body sporophyte are differentiated into the a root, then stem, and the leaves. Okay, so type of root system is the adventitious. बच्चों दो टाइप के लीव्स रहते, तो कौन से दो टाइप, टैप रूट सिस्टम एंड द एडवेंटिशियस। ये देखो, अगर ऐसे फाइबर लाइक रूट है, ओके, उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम, एडवेंटिशियस बोलेंगे। और जब कुछ प्लांट के अंदर ये ऐसे रूट सिस्टम है तो इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम, टैप रूट सिस्टम। ओके, रूट्स में भी टैप रूट और एडवेंटिशियस। लेकिन एक टेरिडोफाइटा के अंदर कौन सी टाइप है, एडवेंटिशियस टाइप ऑफ रूट सिस्टम। ओके, and which absorb the water and minerals from the soil and it gives support to the plant body. Then stem may be two forms, दो टाइप के स्टेम रहते, दो फॉर्म्स है स्टेम के। एक है अंडरग्राउंड, उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम, राइजोम। क्या बोलेंगे, राइजोम। एंड सब एरियल, दिस इज द ए सब एरियल ए वायर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, स्टोलर। ये देखो, इट इज द ए राइजोम इज द अंडरग्राउंड एंड obliquely placed within the soil. Okay, and a stolon is the subaerial, a thin, a wire-like structure that is called as the stolon. And stolon and rhizomes are the a forms of the stem. Okay, that these rhizome produces the a leaves. So this is the a leaves, and type of leaves is the compound. Type of leaf is the compound type of leaf. Why it is called as the compound? Because a small leaf-like structures are present. ये देखो बच्चों, कंपाउंड लीफ किसको बोलेंगे आप, ये ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर है। ओके, ये देखो, a small leaf-like structures are present on a main axis, that is called as the compound. और सिंपल किसको बोलेंगे हम, ये देखो, a single large sized leaves are origin within the stem called the simple, and this one is the compound. Okay, so in a pteridophyta leaves is compound, and in a younger stage the leaves may be a coiled, leaves may be a coiled like a watch spring, like a watch spring, that is called as the circinate pithix. Okay, circinate pithix. यहाँ पे देखो, this is the younger leaves, and younger leaves are coiled from apex to base like a watch spring, that is called as the circinate pithix or a circinate vernation. And these leaves consist of a basal part that is called as the stipe. इसको क्या बोलेंगे हम, stipe. And this one is the rachis, and these are the leaflets. क्या बोलते हैं इसको, leaflets. ओके, तो leaflet जो है, ये देखो, सिंगल leaflet, ऐसे leaflet है। Then this is the central midrib, मध्य सिर बोलते हैं उसको। और these are the lateral veins, and lateral veins are forked. Lateral veins are forked. ये देखो ऐसे forked है ना, ये ऐसे। This is the a single leaflet, and this single leaflet consists of a central midrib, and these are the lateral veins, and these lateral veins are a looks like a Y-shaped or a fork, hence it is called as the forked venation. कोणतं venation है, forked venation. Student, we are studying what is mean by the venation in a chapter morphology of the flowering plant. So what is mean by the venation? The mode of arrangement of the veins and veillets on the a leaf lamina are called as the venation. A ए वेन्स एंड वेनलेट की जो अरेंजमेंट है, ओके, दीज आर द वेन्स एंड वेनलेट के अरेंजमेंट ऑन द लीफ लैमेना, उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? वेनेशन. And in this type of the leaves, the lateral veins are forked or a Y-shaped, that is called as the forked venation. And on the surface or these leaflets are dorsiventral, means the upper surface is deeper than the lower surface. उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? Dorsiventral. And on the surface a circular, a brown colored structures are there. Okay, these are the a circular brown colored structure. उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? सोराय. ये SORI, क्या बोलेंगे इसको? सोराय. Okay, means the at a matured leaflet, a rounded brown colored structures are there, that is called as the sorai. Okay, and sorai is a group of sporangia. Sorai is the group of sporangia. Group of sporangia. Okay, तो यहाँ सोराय बोले तो ग्रुप ऑफ स्पोरेंजिया. Okay, that each sporangia consists of a spore mother cell. क्या रहता है उसमें? कौन से मदर सेल? स्पोर मदर सेल. And these spore mother cells are diploid, means the double set of chromosome. यहाँ पे देखो बच्चों, ये स्पोरोफाइट के अंदर क्या रहता है? सोराय. ये देखो, ये स्पोरोफाइट के अंदर क्या है? सोराय. सोरस के अंदर क्या है? सोराय बोले तो ग्रुप ऑफ सोरस. और स्पोरेंजिया, इसके अंदर क्या है? स्पोरेंजिया. ओके, दैट sporophyte is diploid, sora is also diploid, sporangia is also diploid with the double set of chromosome. Then spore mother cell, sporangia consists of a spore mother cell. Mother cells. It is also diploid. ये देखो बच्चों, बायोलॉजी के अंदर जो भी मदर सेल्स है, स्पोर मदर सेल या दूसरे मदर सेल जो रहते हैं, वो क्या है? डिप्लॉयड है. ओके, मींस द मदर सेल्स आर ऑलवेज डिप्लॉयड. देन दे आर डिवाइड बाय मियोसिस. तो मियोसिस किसको बोलते हैं हम? Meiosis is the type of cell division where the chromosome number is reduced to half. Chromosome number is reduced to half, and the formation of the four daughter cells are called as the meiosis. Meiosis बोले तो सेल डिवीजन के अंदर क्रोमोसोम नंबर रिड्यूस होता. कितना रिड्यूस होता? हाफ. फॉर एग्जांपल, पेरेंट सेल क्रोमोसोम नंबर इज 40. Then find out the daughter cell chromosome number in meiosis 20. Means the chromosome number is reduced to half. अगर 10 है तो 5, अगर 2 है तो 1. Means the meiosis के अंदर chromosome number is reduced to half. Means the 2n is equal to n. 2n is equal to n. तो यहाँ पे स्पोर बनते, ये स्पोर्स, एंड दे आर हैप्लॉइड. यहाँ पे ध्यान दो बच्चों, स्पोर मदर सेल्स आर डिवाइड बाय मियोसिस टू फॉर्म द हैप्लॉइड स्पोर्स, एंड दैट प्रोसेस आर कॉल्ड एज द स्पोरोजेनेसिस. वो प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं अपन? स्पोरोजेनेसिस. यहाँ पे देखो, जेनेसिस मीन्स द फॉर्मेशन and sporum is the spore. Formation of the spore are called as the sporogenesis. Okay, formation of the spore. Then these spores are germinate at a favorable condition to form a new generation, that is called as the फाइट, गैमेटोफाइट। यहां पे देखो एंड ऑफ द स्पोरोफाइट, स्पोरोफाइट का एंड कहां होता है? स्पोर फॉर्मेशन। और these spores are kidney shaped, you know about kidney, ये देखो किडनी shaped है ना, ये ऐसे स्पोर। एंड these spores are germinate at a favorable condition to form a new generation that is called as the gametophytic generation। ये देखो यहाँ पे स्पोर्स आर जर्मिनेट, ये स्पोर जर्मिनेट होते और जर्मिनेट होने के बाद क्या बनता है? गैमेटोफाइटिक जनरेशन। ओके, तो दिस इज द ए गैमेटोफाइटिक जनरेशन, है ना, ए गैमेटोफाइट। इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द प्रोथैलस। क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोथैलस। Why it is called like the prothallus? Because prom is the primitive and thallus is the undifferentiation of the root, stem and the leaves, that is called as the thallus। इसके अंदर we cannot differentiate it between root, stem and the leaves, that is called as the thallus। और यहाँ पे देखो ये है प्रोथैलस और गैमेटोफाइट, है ना, ये देखो ये गैमेटोफाइट। तो कैसा दिख रहा है गैमेटोफाइट? इट इज हार्ट शेप्ड, है ना, इट इज ए हार्ट शेप्ड स्ट्रक्चर एंड इट इज हैप्लॉइड। हैप्लॉइड इज द single set of chromosome। Why it is called as haploid? Because they are produced from spore and spores are haploid। अगर spores haploid है और these spores are germinate to form gametophyte and gametophyte is also haploid। And this gametophytic generation or a gametophytic plant body is a heart shaped structure, haploid। Then they are autotrophic mode of nutrition and it consists of a two types of the sex organ, that is the male sex organs are called as the antheridia and female sex organs are called as the archegonia। यहाँ पे देखो ये जो गैमेटोफाइट है दो टाइप के सेक्स ऑर्गन्स प्रोड्यूस करता है। तो पहला है मेल, उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? एंथ्रीडिया। और क्या प्रोड्यूस करता है वो? मेल गैमेट। और सेकंड है फीमेल सेक्स ऑर्गन, उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? आर्चगोनिया एंड इट प्रोड्यूसेस द फीमेल गैमेट। मींस द गैमेटोफाइट और ए प्रोथैलस produces the two types of the sex organ, that is the antheridia and archegonia। Okay, antheridia and the archegonia। Antheridia is the male, archegonia is the female। Then they produce, antheridia produces the male gamete and archegonia produces the female gamete। Okay, both are haploid। Then they are fuses with each other during the process of fertilization। तो यहाँ पे फर्टिलाइजेशन होने के बाद ये मेल एंड फीमेल गैमीट्स फ्यूज होते हैं और उसका क्या बनता है? जाइगोट। ओके, यहाँ पे देखो n plus n is equal to 2n and the zygote are divide and redivide to form a new generation, that is called as the sporophyte। Okay, means the sporophyte, gametophyte, ये जो है दो टाइप के जनरेशन है and one generation alternates with the other in their life cycle, hence they are called as the alternation of generation। Means the sporophytic generation produces the spore, then these spores are germinate to form gametophyte, then gametophyte produces the antheridia, archegonia, then they produces the male gametes and the female gamete, then process of fertilization and after fertilization it again produces the sporophyte then gametophyte is differ from sporophyte। ये देखो, ये है स्पोरोफाइट और ये है गैमेटोफाइट, दोनों सिमिलर है? नहीं, मीन्स द गैमेटोफाइट इज डिफर फ्रॉम स्पोरोफाइट। ये स्पोरोफाइट के अंदर डिफरेंशिएशन है, रूट है, स्टेम है, लीव्स है, और गैमेटोफाइट के अंदर वैसा कुछ भी नहीं। ओके, रूट नहीं, स्टेम नहीं, लीव्स नहीं। ये स्पोरोफाइटिक स्पोर प्रोड्यूस करता है और गैमेटोफाइटिक गैमीट। मीन्स द इन ए लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ द pteridophyte, sporophyte is differ from gametophyte and gametophyte is differ from sporophyte, and that is called as the alternation of generation, and the type of alternation of generation is a heteromorphic। यहां पे देखो बच्चों, हेटेरो मीन्स द डिसिमिलर, हेटेरो मीन्स द डिसिमिलर, क्या बोलेंगे इसको हम? हेटेरोमॉर्फिक। ये देखो, हेटेरो मीन्स द डिसिमिलर एंड मॉर्फिक मीन्स द मॉर्फोलॉजिकली डिफरेंट। मॉर्फोलॉजिकली डिफरेंट मीन्स द टाइप ऑफ अल्टरनेशन ऑफ जनरेशन is a heteromorphic alternation of generation। मीन्स द दोनों डिफरेंट है, दोनों क्या है? डिफरेंट है, इसलिए टाइप ऑफ अल्टरनेशन ऑफ जनरेशन क्या है? हेटेरोमॉर्फिक अल्टरनेशन ऑफ जनरेशन। स्पोरोफाइट के अंदर असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन होता है। कौन सा रिप्रोडक्शन? असेक्सुअल। एंड गैमेटोफाइट के अंदर सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन। ओके, ध्यान में आया? स्पोरोफाइट के अंदर असेक्सुअल एंड द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द स्पोर, एंड गैमेटोफाइट के अंदर ए मेल है, फीमेल है, तो सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन। ओके, तो दिस इज द ए जनरल अकाउंट ऑफ द टेरिडोफाइटा। ओके।